How to keep bath towels white. Not only is a soft white bath towel a dream to wrap up in after a bath, but it also looks great folded on the rack. Unless you're having trouble keeping yours white and fluffy, here are all the tricks you need to solve the white towel problem, from how to wash them to keep them looking extra bright to how to keep them feeling super soft and fluffy. Number 1. Try using cold water. Even though most people wash their towels on a hot cycle, a cold cycle might be better for keeping them in good shape. A cold wash will keep your clothes from shrinking and their colors vibrant. It will also help keep mildew away, which can grow quickly in damp places like bathrooms. Number 2. Don't over-dry them. If you dry your towels too long in the dryer or on a radiator, the cotton fibers can get damaged. This will leave you with a towel that is no longer soft. Instead, take your towels out of the dryer just before they are completely dry and hang them up so the air can finish drying them. If they are still wet, don't fold them up because mildew can grow. Number 3. Use less detergent. If you use too much detergent and fabric softener in your load, your towels might not always get clean. This buildup of products can hurt the fabric fibers and make your towels less soft, i.e., not soft and fluffy. Check your washing machine's manual for the manufacturer's suggestions. If you're not sure how much to use, the less is more school of thought is a good place to start. Number 4. Hold the bleach. Bleaches that make things whiter can sometimes hurt your towels by breaking down the fibers and making them weaker. Instead, soak your towels in a mixture of baking soda and water for a while before putting them in the washing machine.
Number 5. Keep it regular.
Even though you might not want to wash your towels too much out of fear that they will turn gray and scratchy, it's best to do so every 3 to 4 days. The main reason is cleanliness, but it's also best not to let dirt and stains stay on the fabric for too long. Don't forget hand towels, either. Check best towels on our website, links is in the description.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel to know about more green options, eco-friendly future with Towelogy.